hair? Of course you have, because what the so I bleached my hair a month ago, right? And then the lady said you should use some purple shampoo to make it a bit like more platinum, what I actually wanted. But as you know, I don't use shampoo. So I thought, fuck platinum, I would like to be a bit more like blonde, brownish. And what we are going to use today to achieve that is coffee. Ooh. So I took from the trash all the coffee Albert drinks. We have a very tiny machine where he puts the capsules. I personally don't drink coffee, except for when I really need it. I cut them all and put them in hot water, so I'm letting it simmer for a bit, 5-10 minutes. I'm gonna put it on my hair, leave it 1 or 1 hour and a half, and then we'll see what comes out. I spent like 2 years just doing no shampoo, only water, except for a few times, because I wanted to take care of my hair, blah 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 blah. And this bitch shaves it and just bleaches it. Dude, what if maybe I plan to shave it again, who knows, I really liked it. Shaved hair is another level. If you are in the thinking of doing it, please do it, just do it. It honestly gives you freedom. Okay, I think the coffee now stayed enough in there. I don't know, I'll put it on my hair now. So I found this, maybe it will help me, maybe not, let's see. I don't even know how to put it. Like, do I just do it's going a bit everywhere. Oh my gosh, what if it becomes orange? Bro. Actually, maybe I should do it in the bathroom. Okay, now that I'm in the toilet, I can go nuts. Now go! Without the coffee grind, but now it's definitely too late to think about it. Cool, and now we wait, I guess. See you later. Et voila! Nothing happened. Zero. Nada. Niente. Null. Nix. Okay, I'm done with my languages. So, I don't know, yeah, zero happened. And I was a bit expecting it, although I was really hoping that something would happen. I feel actually that it's more blonde than before, or like more platinum. Do you actually see a difference? I forgot to make like a picture before or after, or a video or something. I mean, maybe you can see it. No? Yeah, what else? So I might just go today and get some henna and just do that, because I don't want to dye my hair with 5,000 chemicals. I already bleached it, so I'm done for the year. I'm happy I did it though, so that you don't have to do it. Although I read some comments online where some people actually said that it worked for them, but they used also some conditioner. And I don't really use conditioner other than sometimes maybe lemon juice with water or ACV. So I skipped that part. Maybe that's the reason, maybe not, who knows. I definitely need a cut though. My hair is so spiky now. For my environmentalist friends, if you want to try this, probably use just the liquid part, not the coffee grind part, because it can clog, of course, your tubes in the shower. We're very lucky because we have a hair catcher, so it catches things before it goes into the tubes. Okay, thank you for watching, although it was a very miserable fail. Thank you for being here. Maybe now it's time for you to actually subscribe. Bitte, please, por favor, por favor, per favore. Yeah, that would be very cool. See ya. So as you see here in this disgusting thing is actually where the sand, the coffee, and hair gets trapped. So you just remove this and throw it away and then put it back empty. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry you have to see this. This is Albert's hair. Yeah, let's all go now and bully him. Ew. Ew.